Well, hello my YouTube friends. Today we have a new video running the Lima train that was repaired. Once I repaired the loco, I needed to see how the whole set would look in action. This meant I had to clean the track and also connect it to a borrowed power supply. The battery box unfortunately cannot be used yet as the bottom has cracked and split in half, but that will be repaired in the future. The box itself is very interesting in that it contains on the back of the box instructions on how to build a layout, turn this Lima train set into a complete train setup or layout with very interesting techniques. Still, you can see from when it dates, trees are made with wire armatures and lichen, and the mountain is chicken wire frame covered with either paper mache or plaster cloth. So that is very interesting, and all the Lima catalogs, as far as I can recall, also included instructions on building a layout. The track is being cleaned using an abrasive block, and the reason for the abrasive block is that the track is not laid down, so the debris from the abrasive block does not fall in between the track and get picked up by the wheels, etc. And the track itself is actually in very good condition. There the circle is complete, the loco is on the track, and it just needed a gentle touch to start running. So the loco is running around the circle a couple of times, and then I am adding the coaches to it to see the whole train running, and that is quite a sight. A set from the 1970s that have been resurrected and now running here in 2024 in October. The loco, as I say, still needs the roof to be manufactured and the battery box cover needs to be repaired, but once that is done, everything will be in a good working order, as the loco and the coaches already are. So my friends, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it amongst your friends. And also please subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell icon, select all, and then you will be notified as soon as a new video is uploaded to the channel.